वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमिता धुमदलशोभिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुप्रदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् कोटि कोटि कण्ठा कर कर निनाद करणे कोटि कोटि भुजय धृत कर करवाए के बोले माँ तुम्हें अभये बहुबलधारिणी नमामि तवे मातरं वन्दे मातरम् तुम्हें वेदा तुम्हें धर्मा तुम्हें मर्मा वन्दे प्राणः शरीरे बहुते तुम्हें मां शक्ति हृदये तुम्हें तुम्हारी प्रतिमा घड़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वन्दे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमलदलविहारिणी वाणी विद्या नमामि कमला कमला बतुला सुजला सुफला मातरं वन्दे मातरम् श्यामला सरला सुस्मिता भूषिता धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे
Chancellor, Plaster University, Srinagar, Professor Dr. Mohammed Nabeen, faculty members, dear students and participants, I warmly welcome you to this very important program, that is the Har Ghar Tiranga and the celebration of the 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram. Dear students and faculty member, as you know that we are celebrating this week as the Har Ghar Tiranga and the Vande Mataram National Song Commemoration Week. And in this connection, in this auditorium, we have organized this small program so that we are able to pay our tributes to the national song and help us, enable us to create significance and the memories that have been associated with the national song. The song Vande Mataram was composed in 1870 by a Bengali intellectual and a novelist, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The song was first published in his journal in November 7, 1875. It was integrated into his novel Anant Math in 1882, personifying an abstract territory as the living mother and transforming geography into an object of intense emotional and moral devotion. The phrase Vande Mataram, which means I bow to thee mother, with the mother symbolizing the motherland, India, the song emerged as a powerful weapon during the growth of the Indian nationalism under the British colonial rule and became a powerful expression of patriotism. And today, we in this auditorium and in this institution, under the leadership of our dynamic Vice Chancellor, have echoed this song again to create the same sense of patriotism that was done ages back. In 1896, a Rabindranath Tagore performed this song at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress, turning this written text into a collective participatory public ritual. During 1905, that is the partition of the Bengal, Vande Mataram became a mass political slogan and resistance of symbol for the Swadeshi boycott, mobilizing the public to such an extent the colonial state repeatedly tried to suppress its use. So it became the voice of a nation. The song focus is universal on the beauty of the land in India, the fields, the abundance of the landscape, the national symbol, showing how such symbols are negotiated to foster inclusive nationalism. The song played a very important role during the independence proceedings around August 14 and 15, 1947. This culminated on January 24, 1950, when the Constituent Assembly, in which the President, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, officially declared Vande Mataram as the national song, honored its equivalence with the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. As you have seen just now, both the national song and the national anthem was echoed in this auditorium to enable us to understand the significance. It occupies a very important place in the history of India. We had the opportunity to sing it once again. I warmly welcome you all, and I hope that each one of us will always be a part of such national events, and I am thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor for accepting the invitation and being a part of this important event, which is of national significance, institutional significance, and of great significance to each one of us, being the citizens of this proud nation, India. Thank you very much, and a warm welcome.
रूप से डॉक्टर अब्दुल शेख जी का, प्रोफेसर अल्ताफ शाह सईद जी, एनएसएस कार्यक्रम अधिकारी, और हमारे कार्यक्रम संचालक एवं महाविद्यालय के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों का भी हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं।
Chief guest of the program, Lower District Kashmir Region College, Professor Dr. Shriman Nawaz, and Principal of the host college, respected faculty members and dear students, good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum, adab. As ma'am narrated the whole history of this topic, that how this national song came into being, how it became a national song, what was the context behind that. Few things I will try to highlight before you, and while highlighting those things, you will come into understand that why this is important, why this song has been given such an importance, why it has been associated with the concept of the motherland, what is the philosophy behind that.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल वितरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Who also happens to be the presently she is also looking after the Dean Academic Affairs of the Cluster University of Srinagar. She is now part and parcel of the university also. Other faculty members and dear students, we have gathered here to participate in Har Ghar Tiranga campaign 2026 and commemorate 150 years of Vande Mataram, that is national song, Vande Mataram. Of course, when I was asked by the principal sahib to come here, though I had some pre-engagement today, but I thought that I should use this opportunity to be a part of this very important function, and I thank the principal for inviting me and making me a part of this very important function which we have gathered to commemorate. Before me, both Seemaji and Dr. Rashid, they have elaborated about national anthem and national song, both Jana Gana Mana and Vande Bharat. So there is nothing more to say about that. Dr. Rashid has elaborated in very detail about the genesis of national song. You see that the national anthem, we also say that Rashtragan and national song, that is Rashtragit. So both have significance, equal significance, and national song came up a little early than national anthem, as it was told that actually it came to the people only in 1875, and that's why in 2025 we commemorated 150 years of this Vande Mataram. And national anthem came up was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. And both the songs were for the first time, sung in the session of Indian National Congress, Kolkata session of Indian National Congress. As Seemaji said, that national song was sung, in 1896 and national anthem in 1911. And both the national anthem and songs were adopted by Constituent Assembly of India in 1950. Probably that was 24 January 1950. So now the national song and national anthem are part and parcel of every function, every important function which different institutions celebrate. जो दो तीन चीजें मैं कहना चाहूँगा. Probably this will be more relevant at this point. देखिए, we have 3 national festivals: 15 August, 15 August, 26 January and 2 October, 2 October. और ये जो तीनों जो खासतौर से नेशनल एंथम और ये नेशनल सॉन्ग जो है इन मौकों पे गाया जाता है. बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम these both anthem and songs have become a part and parcel of every important event celebrated especially in academic institutions or government functions.